What's up guys, it's Viper. Today I'm going to be taking a look at another fairly new bot, ReAIO, which currently supports Supreme and FOOTSITE. But before I start, I'd like to start by giving a shout out to Bot Supply. Bot Supply is the best place to get the newest bots at a fraction of the price. Bot Supply bots are reliable, affordable, and they come with lifetime updates. As a customer, you also get access to a private Discord as well as a custom dashboard where you can manage all your keys. Bot Supply is always adding new bots and the users constantly are cooking. So I definitely recommend you check out Bot Supply at their website botsupply.io or on Twitter at botsupply_. Alright, so here we have ReAIO. This is the task page. So down at the bottom you'll see you could select the different stores. There's Supreme and FOOTSITE now, like those are the ones that are currently supported. But it does show Shopify, Yeezy, and Adidas, so hopefully those will be added soon. Let's start with Supreme. So you'd select Supreme here, and you click this plus to add a task. You'd select the store. Of course, there's only Supreme and Supreme. For keywords, you have to use the plus for a positive keyword. So we'll just go with Hanes, and then use a minus for a negative one. And that's really it for keywords. You do need a comma in between. And then color, you could type a color or you could just type random if you want a random color. Size, you have all your sizes. There's also random. And then we have categories here. For profiles, if you want to do all profiles, you could select this or just use a specific one. I made a test one. And then for proxies, there's either a proxy list or this localhost. If you made a proxy list, this is where you'll be able to select it. There's Captcha bypass, which isn't working at the moment. And then there's mode, which there's a fast mode and a safe mode. I believe safe has had the most success, so I definitely would use that. And we have the task number. If you want to make more than one task, you could put that here. And once you fill everything out, you just hit this plus here and it will create your task. And then if you want to edit it, you could click this. You can hit this button to start or this one to delete it. If you hit start now, you will need to open a Captcha solver or it won't do anything. And you can delete it. Up here, these buttons will be start all and stop all. If you have a bunch of tasks, that's a good feature. So next we'll take a look at the FOOTSITE. So there's a restock mode if you're going for restocks, and then just like Supreme, you click this to create one. The sites that are supported are the US sites and Foot Locker Canada. So we'll just go with champs. You put your SKU here. You could select the size. If you want random, there's random, and if you want to go for more than one sizes, you could select multiple. And then for mode, there's fast and cookie list. Fast is the one that's working right now. Cookie list doesn't. You do have to gen your own cookies, which I'll be taking a look at the cookie gen later. So then we also have the task number, the profile, again I'll just use the test one, and then you have your proxy list here or local host, and the item quantity. So once you fill everything in, the same thing, hit the plus and it will create it. And then you could start it. It'll just say waiting for stock because this isn't a real variant. Once it does pick up, the product name will change from the variant to the actual product. If you want to put it into restock mode, you can by clicking this. And that's it, really. This button doesn't really do anything. It's basically mainly used for the proxy section where it will clear the failed proxies. So yeah, that's it for the sites. Next, we'll take a look at profiles. Here I have my test profile. If you want to make a new one, you just click this. It will open this up and you'll be able to put in all your information and the profile name. Once you're done, you'll just click the little plus and it will create a new one. If you want to duplicate one, there's no button to do that, but you could just edit one you already have and then just change the name and save it and it will duplicate it. If you want to delete one, you just hit this button, and if you want to delete them all, you can click this. That's it for profiles. Then we have proxies. As I said, reuses proxy groups. So if you want to create one, you just click the plus, you give it a name, give it some proxies, and then click this and it will save it. If you want to test it, you could select a store and then you can click this to test a specific one or test them all if you'd like. and then see, as I said, this will delete the failed ones. That's about it for proxies. Down here we have the delay limit, which is basically how long it will wait for a proxy to respond before it marks it as bad. And that's it. You could switch between your groups here. Yeah, so next we have accounts. Right now, really, it does show that they are accounts for Supreme, but I don't believe any of the different regions for Supreme even use accounts. This is definitely going to be used though for Shopify if that's added in the future. So it's good to have for future-proofing the bot. But yeah, that's it. You just basically put your email, a semicolon, and then the password, just like basically all the other bots. So yeah. And then next we have the Captcha menu. So when you click this, it brings up the menu, and here's where you'd create solvers. You could choose a store, which there's only Supreme at the moment. You could add a name, whatever you'd like. Put a proxy if you want to use a proxy, and then you just click the plus, and it will open a Google login window by default, but you don't have to log in with Google if you don't want to. To open a solver, you just click this here, and it will open it. You could pre-harvest if you're in Japan, test it, or just do it. Sometimes it'll test it. And this is actually reload, sorry about that. And then that's about it. You could edit some settings here, like the name. So to edit, you just click this, you'd change what you want to change, and hit the plus, and it will save it. You could log into Google if you didn't do that before, or you could just delete them all by clicking this. So that's about it for the captchas. One other thing, the max is 30, which is plenty. And then next we have cookies. When you click the cookie button, it brings up the cookie generator. Here you could choose a site, any of the FOOTSITEs, and then you could just give it a name and choose proxies if you're using proxies, or just localhost, and then click this and it will create it. You could start it with this button, and then stop it, edit it if you'd like, and delete it. That's about it for the cookie generator. It's also capped at 30, which is plenty. So yeah, and then also if you want to see how many cookies you have, you could click this button here and it will show all the different sites. To delete them, you just click this if you need new cookies. And that's it for the cookies. And below the cookies in the Captcha, we have an export and import for your different information. And then lastly, at the task tab, we have this button here, which brings up a menu. This is where you put a timer if you want to have a delayed start for your tasks. This is also where you'll have your delays for Supreme and FOOTSITEs, and you can put a webhook here. And then lastly, we have the analytics section. You just click this and it will bring up your analytics tab. This shows all the products that you've purchased in the past, and it will show the total amount of money you spent. It also shows a resell area, which I'm not sure if it's working yet, but it's definitely a really cool feature to be able to get an idea of the profit you've made off something you've purchased. I don't believe any other bots currently have that, so that is a really cool feature. And that's about it for this bot. So thanks for watching, and again, I recommend you check out BotSupply at botsupply.io or on Twitter at botsupply_.